Hi, David is here from TimeBot. This is our first update, and I think we'll make those quite fairly regularly now. So this is July's update, the first update for the TimeBot changes. So you probably don't know, but the team that created TimeBot created Karma at a certain stage. So after we created Karma, we created TimeBot. So we do maintain those products simultaneously. And lately we kind of spend more time working on TimeBot since we've delivered quite a lot of functionality in the Karma, and TimeBot was left behind, and people were sending us messages saying like, hey guys, can you implement this and that. Backlog became a little bit extensive, so we decided to tackle a few issues at the same time. So what new things do we see at the TimeBot? So first of all, our notification, you've asked a long time for them, and this could be set up on a personal level now. So you could actually set up your maximum time that you require for a task. So right now, before you'll go into yellow and red state. So previously was I think an hour and a half. Now you could set up to any, or you could even do like unlimited, and don't worry about those statuses, and break time the same. So the maximum time before the bot will actually reach out to you and say like, hey, you've been on the break for too long. It's quite annoying for a few people. We saw it as a reminder, but people saw it differently. And now you could set it up the way you like, so that's nice and easy. What we also have done is on your dashboard, and basically it's your reporting section. Let me quickly go, sorry, not a dashboard. Let me go into time tracking, and then you go into reports. The time report, we actually reworked the whole control that you see at the top. It's quite easy now to track any period of time and pull up the report on that period of time. You could also go easily now and do a channel without searching for a channel. If you'd like to search, you can do it as well. You could actually search for task descriptions if the particular task has to be on that report. And also we've done that export data button nicely now, so you can either go for a current period or do the export for the whole time, which I think is a nice touch. I'm not really sure if you noticed it, but we do have invoices, and they appear in our system at a certain stage. So you could actually kind of invoice your employer and create an invoice, set up a payment info, send that invoice. But I'll show you how it looks like from the admin's perspective. So from the admin's perspective, it looks, I'm not sure if you see the previous version, it looks different now. And also the states of the invoices are right there at the top instead of a drop down, which is done two nice buttons. So you can either just mark it as payment sent, or just rejected, and that'll bring the invoice back to a person to make some corrections. So we use that as well, and let's reject that one. Reject, the reason for rejection, say something like, hey, I think you forgot to include those hours, and then you reject back, and the person will get the notification, and they have to resubmit the invoice. The whole invoicing is a very, very handy feature. So if you're paying for a third-party invoicing software that has a big subscription, but you're not utilizing all of those nice features, bells and whistles, just feel free to use the TimeBot. TimeBot doesn't cost your arm and leg, and it has an invoice in our product, so it can generate an easy invoice, and then you can either, your employees would send you an invoice, and then you pay it and mark, and then you can always export it and print it out in PDF and stuff like that, and just include it into your Zero or something. So, but we'll do a Zero integration. It's a certain part of our development roadmap. Not right now, but it is in our mind. So anyway, that's all what I have for today. I'll send everyone an email. Those emails will come regularly. If you don't like this video, just feel free to click on the unsubscribe button. No hard feelings. But if you like the updates and like to see where the product is going, just make sure that you keep staying on our mailing list. And if you have any feedback, I always welcome all the feedback. I reply to every single email that I receive, and there's no such thing as a bad feedback. Every feedback is valuable. We would take any feedback with an open mind. Just reach out to me directly. Let me know what you think about our product. And I wish you the great productivity in the week ahead of you, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.